Tired of the DirectSound Library DLL error happening during a loading screen? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's optimize your gaming environment and kill that pop-up for good. This DLL file is the DirectSound library, a core component of DirectX. It enables applications to play audio with low latency and provides hardware acceleration for sound mixing and 3D audio effects on the Windows PC. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error usually appears when required graphics runtime components for the DirectSound library are missing. Install the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX libraries, then update your graphics drivers if the DLL is GPU compute related. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the DirectSound library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Safety first. Never attempt to replace the DirectSound library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing the DirectSound library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time DirectX End-User Runtime encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.